Oh, hey guys. So, if you want to make the ultimate cupcake sprinkle deluxe party sprinkle cookie, then you just have to follow these simple steps. First, go to Safeway. Sadly, there's no footage of me at Safeway. Second step, buy the whole entire Safeway. Therefore, getting the ingredients will make it much easier. Step 3, get dough. I ain't specifying which dough you need to get. You figure it out, stupid. Get icing. This I actually have footage of. Here, just buy any icing. I'd recommend buying all the icing. Step 5, buy a bunch of sprinkles. Buy 2 packs to make it even more sprinkle. Step 4, buy like 1 plate. I lost count of the steps. Put your dough on the plate. Again, I do not have footage of this. Do not ask me. Step something. Put a bunch of icing all over it. I put pink on one side and red on the other because it makes it look spicy. Step 4. Get a spoon, I tell you. Spoon. And mix it up. Mix it. Second of all, once it all mixed, get the sprinkles. Use 2 bags as intended. Now, you get the spoon and use the spoon to make all the sprinkles look nice and neat. Step 7. Once you're done with the first bag of sprinkles, add the second. Now, I've already done the first bag of sprinkles. I don't have, any. Oh yeah, this is what it should look like so far. This is my second bag. You stupid. You stupid. Idiot. Hold up, guys. This ain't... Okay, so, I opened it much more. This should be much easier. Now, this is a lot of sprinkle. Any sprinkles on the plate, just put it on, I tell you. Step again, I lost track. Like I said, any sprinkles on the plate, just use your stupid, messy, idiotic hands and put the sprinkles on, you stupid idiot. Now, use your spoon. Now, I don't think you want to use your spoon this time. It needs to look sprinkle. Now, this is what your cookie should look like when done. Now, let's do a taste test, people. Okay, so, let me just grab this cookie right here and bite into it. My sprinkles! Oh god, my sprinkles just fell. Oh no. Hold up, guys. I'll be back when I picked up the cookie, the sprinkles. Guys, I got the cookie and like I said, let me eat it. It is now nighttime. I spent that whole entire night trying to recover from that terrible cookie. But, I spent all night trying to recover from that. It was very harmful to my taste buds. Well, I just want to say, good luck making this, if you make this, then, good luck being one of the other victims of this stupid cookie.